Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to BLOKTOPIA update for the first time on the channel here. And look at the website, man. Looks amazing, amazing, amazing. Now they call themselves as the next, the home of cryptocurrencies. So it's a decentralized metaverse built and backed by Polygon. I'm just gonna walk you through the fundamentals before I go into the technicals. And before that, if you guys are interested in signals, you can join the signals as well. Now we've been actually winning with the BitTorrent yesterday, and we won a profit. We entered BitTorrent at 35, we cashed it at 39, and it's going back to the 35 areas. Yeah, so we're on the website here, and they say it's a decentralized, built and backed by Polygon. BLOKTOPIA provide an unprecedented VR experience for the crypto community, bringing users together all in one immersive and engaging environment. So they're introducing the BLOKTOPIA. You can read about all of this. So it's like a game, in the metaverse, where you have this virtual world and you guys can just go into the virtual world, and then they have like ad block as well, where you guys can receive income for advertising. They have reblock, you can buy, sell, and lease virtual real estate. Wow. um, Something like Decentraland Mana. The native token of BLOKTOPIA is the block itself, known as BLOK, and then they have token lock. So the project is quite solid. The team is solid. I do think it's one of the top metaverse projects out there. But what about the charts? What about the charts? We're now forming particularly a big, symmetrical triangle. And I don't expect BLOKTOPIA because it has already been pumped, guys. Look, it has already been pumped ever since it was launched. I'm gonna show you how high it went. The news out there. You guys have been buying the news at the moment quite early. People, ever since it was launched, that is like 600 and oh my goodness. Like a 670x right there. Do you understand that? It has already pumped big enough. So do expect it to start to cool off. I don't necessarily see any upward movement in the next coming future. And to me, guys, before investing, I would recommend you that let it cool down. It has gone 670% up. Right now we're already from the all-time high 60% down already, and it could go a little bit down for 75%, which will be normal, which will be absolutely normal. And from here you guys can buy from 0.045, buy back here, and who knows, we can get lucky and continue to go to the for a 10x, maybe, probably. And at the moment, guys, even if we don't go down there, there's one condition for going towards that side, and I'm going to show you this one at the moment. This is the symmetrical triangle, up, down, and now it could go up, back up to this level, and it could continue inside these levels. Now, I'm not really saying that it's gonna come here. I'm not trying to sound bearish. This can be invalidated. At the moment, this is not in play, but it's potentially in play if you start to break the symmetrical triangle backtest, fail, and then you're gonna go down there. So that would be a nice, lovely drop from there to there, like a 42% drop. And yeah, be careful with this one. But at the moment, if you do start to see business picking back up to the north, and then you break out of it and then backtest continue, your next target is of course going to be from where you form that symmetrical triangle, which is going to be the 0.1755. So at the moment, if you go from here to here, this is going to be a nice, good, lovely 110% rise towards the upside. So guys, symmetrical triangle are meant to be 50-50. If you go to Google, if you're new to the channel right now, I'm going to show you symmetry triangle pattern, right, in trading. So now I'm going to show you this image right here and discuss with you. You can already see you have this descending upper trend line, descends, and ascending lower trend line, and then they make a squeezing triangle. And this triangle, it can go to the upside, it can even go to the downside as well. I'm going to show you this one, right? So there is this particular situation: you go up or you go down. Simple, very, very, very simple. Something like this one as well, it could go up, it could be stop losses right there. You have another symmetrical triangle right here. There is this symmetrical triangle where you can see that this one went towards the downside as well. You have this one went towards the upside, so it's a 50% chances of going to the upside or the downside. So I'm just gonna make you aware, guys, that if you start going lower, you're gonna go back to where you formed this triangle. Very, very simple. Breakdown of it, it's gonna go take you back there. You break out of it, it's gonna take you up towards this area. So be careful. I'm just going to give you a looking glass into the future, so you can open tradingview.com. You can follow along this. You can make this lower support there and the resistance there, and then keep an eye on it. At the moment, on the 4-hour time frame, it seems like we have some sort of a double bottom, so I don't think it's going to go down anytime soon. It's already been dropped a lot, and from here I can show you this double bottom. First bottom there, second bottom there. My take is that it's going to go a little bit to this trend line right there. So what I can tell you is there could be a rise from here to here, like a 62% or a 50% move to the upside, and then you can cash out. You can cash out here and then wait for it to come down. You can buy back there, or you can wait for it to go even more down and you can buy back from here. So at the moment, be careful, guys. I don't think it's going to go down today, but maybe in the next coming future. The apex, but when can this decision happen? Now the decision is until 5 of January. Today's 8 December. So be careful until 5 of January. Before 5 of January, anything can happen. It can go down or it can move and move up as well. So yeah, so that's it for today's update. Hope you enjoyed this one. Sub to the channel, like this video as well. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.